It is the 26th of August 2021. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up, and for a change, I guess I'm going to start. It's Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Stand-up for this week. I didn't get or there wasn't a stand-up to post for last week. I guess we didn't do a recording. I didn't make it, but we did have a couple of messages happening back and forth on possibly a new active backlog for WIKISPEED, so it was exciting. On my stuff, tank level project hasn't had any progress. I was looking to order something, a new sensor, and I haven't yet. The mobile battery inverter, my stepson Andrew tried to get the inverter working, and it didn't work, so I took it apart, just took the cover off. And there are 16 fuses of 25 amps each that are all blown. So it looks like when I got it surplus from Canadian Tire, it looks, or on the really cheap rack, whatever it is. I don't know what the previous person did to it, but it blew a lot of fuses. So I need to buy some new fuses to figure out if that's the only issue, and if it is, that'd be awesome because it's about $5 worth of fuses. If not, then I guess I overpaid for it. Ross review, there's no progress. And Lauren and Peter Stevens both sent me references for Wikipedia articles on Joe, so I need to check them out. And Lauren also suggested I contact Mary Mike for more references to articles. For next week, I am hoping to get those references looked at, and one review of the article posted for Joe, so everybody can take a look at it. And realistically, that's probably the only things that I'm going to get done. Blocks are just that other stuff happening, and I'm not spending as much time on WIKISPEED as I was originally planning. Over to you, Lauren, if you're ready.
Yes. Yeah, so Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, so I gave Joe the reference. I gave Mike the reference to Joe, a couple of the references, and looked at that. I'm tracking the TOF, time of flight infrared sensor. Is that right? Is it an infrared? Yeah, okay. So that has not come. I thought it looked like it's traveled across a couple of continents, I think. So, and yeah, so I did look at some of the Wikipedia stuff, and I can't think of anything else right now. Past week, coming week, definitely I want to. I'm hoping to get the sensor, load the. I'm going to need jumpers. I have some jumpers in a kit, so maybe I can. If I get the sensor, I can load the program and check it out. Check out if it's everything works as it should. At least maybe not everything, but at least another couple of steps. And blocks are just a lot of stuff going on with relatives and things like that. And also I'm kind of looking. I'm a little. I need to block out time for each of my projects because I'm a communications director for another volunteer group, and not director, but I'm involved in the communications committee. And I may be buying I'm vaccinated buttons and selling them at the farmer's market. A whole bunch of people have asked me to. I'll show you that in a minute. So that's the blocks, and that's it for me.
Okay, for I don't remember what it's called. When we give ourselves a number, retrospective. There we go. Retro. I'm going to give myself. Well, it looks like I did 2, and I was expecting to do 2. Giving myself 100% sounds, or 10 out of 10 sounds kind of weird. I think I'm going to go for about 7. And team, I'm going to go 9 because it looks like we're making some progress, and hopefully we have subgroups. Hopefully we can get a few of them to sit in on the weekly meeting, but I guess we'll see. That's it for me.
Okay, yeah, I'll give myself a 6. Team a 10, and process improvement I'm going to skip for now, but I do want to do crosstalk.
Okay, so we're wrapped up. What would you like to talk about in crosstalk?
Recording.
Oh, stop recording. Okay. 1 moment.